Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Miami Gardens local and long distance movers near me. The right movers will ensure your things get to their final destination safely, no matter the distance. Our long distance moving services provide more than just transportation. Here are some of the things we can do for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. The pros and cons of hiring a Florida moving company for your local move will help justify the cause. When you look at the benefits, it's much easier to see why the costs of a local move make sense. You gain time to work on the rest of your moving tasks, along with experienced movers to pack and handle your items. Plus, the right local moving company will give you the convenience you need to get settled faster at your new location. The 3 Movers moving team will make the entire process of moving much easier. When you have a professional crew of movers helping you out, it's easier to move in just one day instead of taking several days or a week. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Miami Gardens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.